Hey, what's up guys, Handmade here. It's a lovely day and I have for you this lovely Parkside Performance Cordless Jigsaw. It's equipped with a brushless motor, 5 years of warranty, the price is around 50 euros, but unfortunately that's without battery and charger, and unfortunately it's a little bit hard to find this in the commercial network. Maybe Parkside manufactured 2 little pieces of this, I don't know. Never mind that, let's unbox it and take a closer look. This is what's inside the briefcase, the machine, parallel guide, menu and some accessories. 2 saw blades for wood and 1 saw blade for metal. This is how the machine looks like. Here we have a rotary wheel for selecting the speed. We have 6 predefined levels and the 7th level is A for automatic. The machine is automatically adjusting the speed depending on the load. Unfortunately, I'm not impressed by the automatic regulator. If you ask me, it's a little bit sluggish. Now, the on-off switch, unfortunately, it's on the left side of the machine. So, the machine is intended to be used with your right hand. It's a little bit difficult to operate it, to switch it on and off with your left hand. Here we have a pendulum stroke switch with 4 predefined levels depending on the material we are cutting. Here we have a pictogram explaining everything. Finger guard over here, dust protector, transparent dust protector, and this one here is removable, simply like this. Unfortunately, I believe this is one of the parts that's pretty easy to break. Here we have another transparent protector. This one here is protecting the cutting part of the machine from unnecessary debris. 2 screws over here for attaching the parallel guide, the rib fence. We have an external dust extractor with a reducer over here depending on the diameter of your vacuum cleaner. If you're not using the external dust extractor, the machine is equipped with internal saw blower. This is the on-off switch, and we have this pretty nice lever for selecting the inclination of the base plate. We have 5 predefined settings: 0, 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees, and it's pretty easy to incline the base plate. Now, if we are going to use the machine like this, we have to remove this protector over here. Again, pretty easy, but again, I believe this is one of the parts that's too fragile, and most likely you have to order a replacement after some time. The base plate is made from aluminium. This part over here again is made from aluminium. We have 2 LED work lights, those 2 over here. Unfortunately, the machine doesn't have a laser pointer, and that's a little bit strange for a machine claiming to deliver better performance. Let's turn it on. The speed is at level 1. Now you saw how the speed went down when the automatic regulator kicked in. I'm planning to do a quick test and compare the machine against my green Parkside Jigsaw. Of course, I will charge both batteries to the same level to eliminate any possibilities that their performance is affected by the battery charge. In overall, I might say the machine is performing quite well for its price, and I'm pretty sure there is no other brushless jigsaw for a price any near the 50 euros of this Parkside. Yet again, there are some drawbacks, like the on-off switch only on the left side and the lack of a laser pointer. So that's all from me, guys, and again, you know the drill. Thumbs up and subscribe.